up cinematic beat. Sound the car door closing and engine idling. Bro, I really want this car. I'm staring at the lines as fast as hell. It looks amazing. Oh my God. Every night, every dream, it's all I see. It's my dream car, man. But how can I afford it? How can I make it mine? LA. I already have it. Godzilla R35, parked in my driveway, doing 200, flying down the highway. From the dream to the street, now I got the keys. I'm the king of the road, doing what I please. Yeah.